Wait, don't scroll. What if I told you that you can make a healthy, filling, and crazy delicious sandwich? With just a few ingredients you already have at home. Yep, no fancy stuff. No long cooking time, just real food, real quick. And hey, if you love quick and easy recipes like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Let's make it together. Boil the potatoes in hot water for 5 minutes, then rinse them with cold water. Mix in 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Pop it in the oven at 180 degrees for about 15 minutes and let the magic happen. And hey, if you love quick and easy recipes like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Let's make it together, I thought. Challenge accepted. Let's make something tasty out of this. The result? A quick, healthy sandwich that turned out surprisingly delicious. Since that day, it's been my go-to when I need something fast and nutritious. If you're looking for a simple, satisfying, and healthy meal, this video is for you. You can use any type of bread you like. I used whole wheat bread for myself and Barbari bread for my husband. The pickles at home. The recipe for these delicious pickles is already on my channel. Make sure to check it out. I love tomatoes. I add them to all my sandwiches. What about you? Herb sauce, canned tuna, potatoes, tomato sauce, tomato, pickles, lettuce 6. Guys, I pop it in the oven for about 10 minutes just to grill the bread a little. But you can use whatever you have to toast or grill your bread, it all works. And that's it, quick, tasty, and totally satisfying. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like, hit that subscribe button, and stick around for more delicious ideas. See you in the next one.